Well, hello everyone. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it for stopping in to Design by Kathy. If I look like I've been rained on, that's because I have been rained on. It started raining and I kind of got caught in it. So pardon the really messy, uncontrollable hair. Today I want to do a pour that is black and gold. I think black and gold is super classy. I'm going to add another little, a color I've not used before. It's actually called Dark Titanium White. So I'm curious to see what it does. I hope it doesn't, do like titanium white and try to take over, because I really want my gold. And oh, by the way, did I say I'm using 24 karat gold? Okay, let's get to pouring. So, like I mentioned, I was really wanting to do something in black and gold. So what I've had this and I've been wanting to use it is this Deco Art Extreme Sheen 24 karat gold. So I wanted to use that, wanted to have a little something, just not complete gold, but a little bit. This is a dark titanium white. Now, I have not used it before, so, we're going to see together what might happen with this. So I'm just going to start going diagonal along here, or going somehow along here. Try to make a thin little line. Then I want to super thin up this. I just think black and gold is just classy, and this should have some super sparkle to it, we're hoping. Okay, I think, I'm thinking, that's dangerous. I just think I want to, like, shut off right here. Up to here, and then over here. Oh, well, we have a new little look there. Okay. Now I'm going to put just a little bit of black along the edges here to blow over for this Dutch pour. I don't think I said that, did I? I said I wanted black and gold. Whoops, that got slippery. Almost came out of my hand. That would have been a nice mess. Okay, now we're going to get to blowing, so I will mute or turn this really down low so you don't have to listen to my hair dryer going off. so I don't know what went on here, but we're gonna add a little more. Whoops, and that was a lot more. Okay, now I'm gonna switch to my little blower. I'm stepping all over stuff here. And I don't like that, but so we're gonna see if we can do something like that. Now, if you don't have the little blower, you can certainly use a straw, or if you've got enough wind, you can blow with your mouth. Neither of those. I have the straw, but I love this little thing, and it is. I do have a link. It is in my. If you click on my Amazon page below, it is in there because I love this little thing. Okay, still don't have the gold over here that I wanted, so we're gonna try one more thing here. I just wanted the gold, come on. And I got too much of the other. Now I may have too much of this, but you know what? There's no rule. You can just keep putting, adding. You can even, you could scrape and redo whatever you want. This is not a rule. Yeah. So that wasn't what I was going to do, but there. I wanted that gold. Okay, I need to step away and take a look. Huh. I like the gold. I can't wait to see how it dries. I do like having that little extra in there just because I don't know. You could have just gone with gold. I may try that next time just because, like I said, I love the gold and black, but I am liking this. And if you see a spot, you know, that you don't like, just take your straw or blow or your little blower and just move it around. Move it until it looks like you want it to. I want those little wispy edges to come out. Okay, I think I'm gonna stop there because I could just keep blowing all day. That's kind of fun. But anyway, man, I love the gold. Like I said, I can't wait to see. I'll show you the finished results once it dries. But for now, here's what we got, and I like it. I just like I said, the black and gold. You just can't go wrong there. It's just pretty. But thanks for stopping by, Designed by Kathy, and I appreciate you watching my videos, and appreciate any likes. Love to get your comments, and as always, a thumbs up is greatly appreciated. So you all have a wonderful day.